Aging is a journey we all embark on. But what if I told you that the story of muscle loss doesn't have to end in weakness or frailty? For years, many believed that losing muscle as we age was simply a part of life, a fate we couldn't escape. But today, we're here to expose the truth. Muscle loss isn't just fate, and you have more control over your strength and vitality than you might think. Thanks to groundbreaking scientific research, we now know that it's possible to rebuild muscle, even in your golden years. The body is remarkably adaptive, and with the right approach, you can regain strength, improve your balance, and boost your energy. Imagine being able to lift your grandchild, carry groceries with ease, or enjoy a hike without feeling exhausted. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's within your reach. Today, we're going to uncover the 3 essential proteins that can help you rebuild muscle, restore your confidence, and reclaim your independence. Whether you're already active or just starting your journey, these proteins can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and discover how you can fuel your body for strength at any age. First, let's talk about why muscle loss happens. As we age, it's common to notice that our muscles aren't as firm or strong as they once were. Everyday tasks, like carrying laundry, gardening, or even standing up from a chair, can start to feel more challenging. This gradual decline in muscle mass and strength is known as sarcopenia, and it affects millions of older adults worldwide. Sarcopenia isn't just about looking less toned, it can lead to real health problems. Weak muscles make you more prone to falls and injuries, slow down your metabolism, and can even affect your independence. But here's the empowering news. Muscle loss is not inevitable. With the right nutrition, exercise, and support, you can slow, stop, and even reverse this process. The human body is incredibly resilient. Even after decades of gradual muscle loss, your muscles can still grow and become stronger, if you give them the right support. It's never too late to start, and every small step you take can lead to big improvements in your quality of life. So, what are the secret weapons in your fight against muscle loss? Let's explore 3 little-known proteins that can help seniors rebuild strength, improve mobility, and feel more energetic every day. First up, myostatin inhibitors. Myostatin is a protein in your body that acts like a brake on muscle growth. It tells your muscles when to stop growing, which is helpful when you're young, but as you age, it can work against you. Fortunately, certain foods, like dark chocolate and green tea, contain a powerful compound called epicatechin. Epicatechin has been shown in studies to help lower myostatin levels, essentially releasing the brakes and allowing your muscles to grow more easily. When you reduce myostatin, you unlock more muscle potential. This means that with the right foods and exercise, your body can respond better to strength training, helping you build and maintain muscle even as you age. Imagine feeling stronger, more capable, and more confident in your body, just by making a few simple changes to your diet. Next, let's talk about collagen, specifically types 1 and the 3. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, and while it's famous for keeping skin smooth and youthful, it's just as important for your muscles, tendons, and joints. As we age, our natural collagen production declines, which can lead to weaker muscles, stiffer joints, and slower recovery from exercise or injury. Collagen acts like the glue that holds your body together. It supports the structure of your muscles, keeps your tendons flexible, and cushions your joints. Without enough collagen, you might notice more aches and pains, slower healing, and a greater risk of injury. But by adding collagen-rich foods or supplements to your routine, you can help your body repair and rebuild itself from the inside out. Hydrolyzed collagen supplements are especially effective because they're broken down into smaller pieces that your body can absorb easily. Taking collagen daily can boost your recovery after exercise, support healthy movement, and even improve your skin and hair. It's a simple addition to your morning routine that can pay off in big ways for your muscles and joints. And third, let's introduce HMB, short for B-hydroxy-B-methylbutyrate. HMB is a compound that your body makes from the amino acid leucine, which is found in high-protein foods like meat, dairy, and legumes. HMB has been studied for its powerful ability to help seniors keep muscle, even during periods of inactivity or illness. HMB works by slowing down the natural breakdown of muscle that happens as we age. It acts as a shield, protecting your muscles from being lost during times when you can't be as active, like after surgery, during illness, or even just on days when you need to rest. At the same time, HMB encourages new muscle growth, making it a powerful ally for anyone looking to stay strong and independent. By adding HMB to your daily routine, either through supplements or by eating more leucine-rich foods, You can slow down muscle loss, speed up recovery, and see real improvements in your strength and stamina. It's especially helpful for seniors who are starting a new exercise program or recovering from an injury. So, if you're over 50, don't wait to take action. Every day is a new opportunity to invest in your health and build a stronger, more resilient body. Start by adding more high-quality protein to your meals, moving your body with resistance exercises, and considering supplements like collagen and HMB to give your muscles the support they need. Remember, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement or exercise program. Your healthcare provider can help you choose the best options for your unique needs and make sure you're on the right track. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Your health is worth it. Staying strong and independent isn't just about lifting weights or taking supplements. It's about enjoying life to the fullest. Whether you love dancing, hiking, gardening, or simply spending time with loved ones, building muscle can help you keep doing the things you love for years to come. Movement is medicine, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with a friend who could use a boost, and subscribe for more science-backed health advice. At eSoilTech, we're dedicated to helping you live your best life, strong, confident, and full of energy. Remember, your journey to better health starts with a single step. Let's take it together.